Roughly 60% of the calories in the average American diet come from highly processed foods. We've known for decades that eating such packaged products like some breakfast cereals, snack bars, frozen meals, and virtually all packaged sweets, among many other things, is linked to unwelcome health outcomes, like an increased risk of diabetes, obesity, and even cancer. But more recent studies point to another major downside to these often delicious, always convenient foods. They appear to have a significant impact on our minds too. What qualifies as an ultra-processed food? In 2009, Brazilian researchers put food on a 4-part scale. From unprocessed and minimally processed like fruits, vegetables, rice, and flour to processed oils, butter, sugar, dairy products, some canned foods, and smoked meats and fish, and ultra-processed. Ultra-processed foods include ingredients that are rarely used in homemade recipes such as high-fructose corn syrup, hydrogenated oils, protein isolates, and chemical additives like colors, artificial flavors, sweeteners, emulsifiers, and preservatives. UPFs make up a majority of the packaged foods you find in the frozen food aisles at grocery stores and on the menu at fast food restaurants. They're increasingly edging out healthier foods in people's diets and are widely consumed across socioeconomic groups. The impact of ultra-processed foods on mental health. Recent research has demonstrated a link between highly processed foods and low mood. In one 2020 study of over 10,000 adults in the United States, the more UPFs participants ate, the more likely they were to report mild depression or feelings of anxiety. New research has also found a connection between high UPF consumption and cognitive decline. Why might ultra-processed foods have this effect? It's unclear. Much of the research has focused on how poor gut health might affect the brain. Diets that are high in ultra-processed foods are typically low in fiber, which is mostly found in plant-based foods like whole grains, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. Fiber helps feed the good bacteria in the gut and is necessary for the production of short-chain fatty acids, substances that play an important role in brain function. Chemical additives in UPFs might also have an impact on gut flora. Poor gut microbiota diversity, along with a diet high in sugar, may contribute to chronic inflammation, linked to various mental and physical issues. How to recognize ultra-processed foods? The best way to identify ultra-processed foods is to read product labels. A long list of ingredients, especially ones you would never use in home cooking, are clues that the food is ultra-processed. You can still use convenience foods to make cooking easier without resorting to ultra-processed foods. Products such as canned beans, frozen vegetables, pre-cooked brown rice, or canned fish are all shortcut ingredients that fit well within the scope of a healthy diet, provided there aren't any industrial items on the ingredient list. In conclusion, the prevalence of ultra-processed foods in the American diet is concerning, not only for physical health, but also for mental well-being. Avoiding these foods and opting for a balanced, whole foods-based diet may help mitigate the potential negative effects on both the body and the mind. Please see the citations in the description. Thanks for watching.